We're making changes to the land transfer tax statement that should make it easier to provide the right information for your client. The first part of the statement, property details, asks the same questions but provides some extra guidance. We've divided the questions on seller or buyer identity to make it clearer how to respond. After your client has indicated whether they are the buyer or seller and provided their name, question 6 will direct them to the correct part of the statement. This means they only need to answer the questions that apply to them. For example, individuals can go straight to questions about their citizenship or visa status. Non-individual or corporate entities can go straight to the tax details section on page 3. For nominees, there's a new question which asks for information on the name of the nominator. This had to be manually added on the old form. We split the question about citizenship or visa status into 2 to make it clearer on how your client should respond. These questions are for individuals only. Non-individual or corporate entities do not need to respond to these. For question 9, your client will need to indicate whether or not they are a New Zealand citizenship or holder of a work, resident or student visa. For question 10, they'll need to say whether or not any member of their immediate family is a New Zealand citizen or holder of a work, resident or student visa. Not everyone needs to answer question 13 about whether or not their immediate family intends living on the land. Sellers can go straight to the tax details section. Buyers who are not work or student visa holders or whose family are not work or student visa holders can go straight to the tax details section. If your client or a member of their immediate family holds a New Zealand work or student visa, they'll need to answer question 13. The tax details section is largely the same. We have added some more guidance to the questions. We've also expanded the question about tax residency to allow for multiple countries. We hope this video has been useful in helping you understand the changes to the tax statement. We'll also be sharing guidance on how to enter this information in Landonline. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact our customer support.